Hello and welcome back to another CapCut tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change the voice of your audio track within your videos. So let us begin right away. First of all, open up the CapCut application and open up any project. Now using the import button, just open up the audio file within which you would like to change the voice. Then simply drag it onto your timeline, and this is how the audio sounds without making any changes. This is a test recording where I'm going to try changing the voice using CapCut. Now, in order to change this audio file, make sure that you have clicked on the audio to select it. Now, if you look at the top right corner, you will find the voice changer option. Go ahead and click on it, and this will now show you various different voice filters as well as voice character. If you simply wish to apply a filter onto your voice, you can use any of the filter options. Let us try the high filter and see how it sounds. You can just click on the respective download button, and this will now be applied to your audio. You can see that the filter that you have selected has appeared alongside the audio file name. You may also change the pitch as well as the timbre of your sound in order to give it a more natural feel. You may check how it sounds after making your adjustments by once again playing back the audio.
This is a test recording where I'm going to try changing the voice using CapCut.
This is a test recording where I'm going to try changing the voice using CapCut.
There are various filters that you can try and see, and if you don't wish to use any filter, make sure that original is selected. In order to change your voice into various different characters, click on the voice characters option. You will now see various different characters that you can change your voice into. Most of the characters are only available on the Pro version. However, there are some that you can use for free. After downloading and clicking on the character, it will be applied to your audio once again. And once the voice character has been applied, you will see its name alongside your audio file name once again. You can now check how the audio sounds.
This is a test recording where I am going to try changing the voice using CapCut.
And now you can see the before and the after results. This is a test recording where I'm going to try changing the voice using CapCut.
This is a test recording where I am going to try changing the voice using CapCut.
And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your voice within your audio files on your videos using CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.